Morning, welcome. This is Jamb here. 2015 government past question. Question number 12 says an example of civil right of a citizen is the right to dash. An example of civil right of a citizen is the right to dash. Now, when we talk of civil right of a citizen, this is a natural right that is expected for a citizen to enjoy. So option A say be voted for. This is what we call political rights. This is political rights. Then property and justice. This is legal rights. Then peaceful assembly. This is what we call civil rights. Then vote, which is option D, is also political rights, and that is what we call both D and A are called adult suffrage. Then option C is example of civil rights that a citizen is also enjoy. So option C is correct. Thank you, and ensure you subscribe for more videos.